Hi, welcome back to Art by Brooke. So for today's video, I am doing a tree ring paint pour on a vase, and I'm going to be using pink, red, gold, black, and white. I had hoped to do this video for Valentine's Day, but unfortunately, as probably some of you have noticed, I haven't been able to post a lot recently, and that's because I've been dealing with a lot of my chronic pain and just a lot of fatigue. So unfortunately it's a little late, but I figured there's no wrong time for a new paint pour on a vase. So I'm going to go ahead and layer the colors in my cup, do a background layer on the vase, probably with white, and then get started. So this is looking super pretty. I am really excited about it, and I wanted to show you the top. Well, really the bottom. It's so disappointing that this part always looks the best because that's the part no one is really going to see. I will post a YouTube short once this is dry so you can see the result, so keep an eye out for that. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish off the canvas that was underneath. So I'm going to go ahead and see if I can stretch this enough to not have to add any more paint, because I really like the way the colors are looking in here, but if I can't make it work, I do have some extra paint. Wow. So yeah, this is probably one of the prettier pour-offs too, like the runoff from the vase. I love this. I am really excited how this turned out. I'm not usually one to grab pink as my first option, and also not usually one to grab red as my first option, but wow, did they work well in this one. I actually think there's some movement in this that almost looks like maybe a bird in flight or a swan. What do you think? Do you see something in this shape? So before I show you a closer look, I'm going to go ahead and use my torch on this. Sorry about the shakiness. I forgot to do that before I took it off of the stand. All right, let's take a closer look. So this is kind of an area that looks, I don't know, like a duck or a bird or something like that. And then up here, cloudiness. And there's some really cool cells down here. And there's just like some really cool movement. Like this looks kind of like the bottom of a dress or a skirt, and I think that's really neat. And down here you see some of the tree ring shape. And then back up here. So yeah, I'm really excited about how both of these turned out, and I can't wait to see them dry. I'll probably post a short here, but I will also probably post some photos on my Instagram account, so be sure to look in the description down below to follow that. Also, look in the description if you're interested in which paints I used for this, and if you'd like to know where I get the music that I have been really loving in my videos lately. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell so you get a notification every time I post a new video. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up and left a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.